This 60-second video right here got me paid thousands of dollars. And the wildest part is I didn't even have to post it on my own social media. So today I'm going to show you how you can use your phone to get paid by your favorite brands since I've been doing before I barely had any subscribers. I'm talking short videos under 60 seconds. You don't have to show your face and you don't need any special equipment. You can do it from your phone. But first, you know what you got to do. Hit that algorithm in the face. Let YouTube know that you like money-making content. And the way that you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you're new here, make sure you drop a comment so I can say, hey. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this super easy side hustle where you can record short videos on your phone and start landing high-paid brand deals. Let's go. Okay, let's start from the top. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Nikki and I connect you with innovative ways to make money from home. I went from putting my life on the line as a Philly police sergeant to building my own media company, creating content, working with brands, and building my media business from home as a single mom. I partnered with major brands, including the Green Light Card, Starburst, DoorDash, huge brands that we all know about. And I get paid even on my smaller platform, Nikki For Real. But hold on, let me be clear. You don't have to work for years in order to start working with brands if you start with UGC. What is UGC? Because a lot of times people will hear UGC creator and they think that you have to have a large following, that you have to have been a content creator for years to be able to make money landing these brand deals as a UGC creator. That is not the case. Let me put this into perspective for you. This 60-second video that me and my daughter did for the Green Light debit card paid us thousands of dollars with an S, okay? Thousands for this 60-second video. And guess what? This was my first ever UGC video. At that time, I didn't have even 1,000 followers, but the brand did not care. Why is that? Because with UGC content, you're not posting on your own social media. The brand is purchasing the rights to be able to use that video that you created for them, because UGC content is user-generated content, which means it needs to look authentic. It needs to look like it's coming from a user of that actual product or service. So basically, they're paying regular people like you and me to create authentic content that looks and feels real. And the best part, UGC doesn't require you to buy any special equipment. You know how most UGC videos are filmed? With a phone. Most of the time, the brands want vertical videos. These videos are normally no more than 60 seconds long. So how do you actually get started with UGC content? Let's just break it down step by step so you know exactly what you need to do to start earning money as a UGC creator. Step 1. Create your portfolio. And in that portfolio, you're going to record a couple of videos and you're going to show that you can sell a product. And what products can you sell if you don't have a brand deal yet? Find anything around your house. Grab your favorite lipstick or your favorite candle in your house, and you're going to take those products and you're going to create short videos between 10 and 30 seconds for each of those products. And you can do this forward facing, meaning you're showing your face with the product, or you can do it faceless where you're only showing yourself holding the product. It's really not hard, okay? But the main thing is you want to show the brands that you can create professional content and that it looks good. But Nikki Connected always says we work smarter, not harder, right? So those short videos that you're creating for your portfolio, we're gonna make money off of those videos, even before you land a brand deal. How is that, Nikki? First and foremost, you're gonna become affiliated with Amazon. So I'm gonna drop the link down below to Amazon Associates. This is their program so that you can earn commissions on these little products that you're already talking about in these short videos that I just told you to film. Now, we all know Amazon sells like everything in the world. So I'm sure that there are products in your house that are available on Amazon. So once you become affiliated with Amazon, either as an Amazon affiliate, so you can get some affiliate links, or even better, if you already have some kind of a following, you can sign up to be an Amazon influencer. That way you can post videos on Amazon and you can do live streams on Amazon to sell even more, and you earn a commission either way that you do it. Even if you're starting out as an Amazon affiliate, you don't have to have a following, okay? We're stepping it up, okay? Because we're becoming Amazon affiliates or influencers. So now we have links where people can purchase those products and we earn a commission. Where do you put those links out? You're going to take that same video that you filmed with your little candle or whatever other product you decided to use, and you are going to repurpose that video. What does that mean? You are going to post it on other platforms. Add your affiliate link so when people click that post, if they buy that product or if they buy any product on Amazon for the next 24 hours, we earn a commission. Even the little videos that I do with products around my house, I take those videos and I post them on my Amazon storefront, and I also repurpose them. I take that same video and I put them on other platforms so I can earn money. Hopefully y'all are picking up the gems that I'm putting down in this video. Mind you, this is even before you land any paid brand deals, which leads us to step 2. You need to pitch brands. You can find UGC deals many different ways. On Fiverr, you can literally search UGC video and see creators charging anywhere from $100 all the way up to $1,500 or more for a 30 to 60-second video. But I'm going to be honest with you, it can be very crowded over there. So if you want those bigger brand deals, like the $4,000 one that I got, you need to know how to pitch brands directly and position yourself like a pro, because we're not trying to look like rookies out here, okay? And that's where my elite influencer system comes in. It has the exact pitch templates, media kit, and even brand contact lists that I personally use to land these partnerships. I'm literally handing you everything that you need so that you're not wasting months trying to figure things out on your own. And remember, UGC is not based on your follower count. If you don't know, I have my other brands, Nikki For Real. That is my lifestyle brand. And even on that smaller platform, I'm still landing paid brand deals with Starburst, with DoorDash, and with Lenovo. It's not about the size of your audience. It's about positioning yourself to show that you can create professional content that sells. So I'm going to link the elite influencer system for anybody that is interested. I'm going to put it in the description down below so you can land those paid brand deals. But once you do land your first brand deal, you got to move on to step 3, baby. And this is the step that a lot of people miss out on. They don't follow up with the brands. Those tips that I outlined in step 1 and step 2, you're going to use that in step 3, and you're going to reach back out to brands that you work with, and you're going to offer them more content. After a brand loves your content, you need to be pitching them for a package deal. So instead of offering to do one more video for them, offer to do 3 videos at a discount. You would be surprised how many brands are willing to accept an offer like this, because guess what? They're saving money. They basically have a built-in content creator. They don't have to hire you in their business. They don't have to offer you health insurance or anything like that. They have access to consistent content that they can put out on their own platforms whenever they feel like it, for whatever time frame your agreement was for. So let's do a quick recap. First thing you're going to do is you are going to create your portfolio, and those videos in that portfolio, you are going to repurpose them. You're going to put them on your Amazon storefront, on your Pinterest page, on your TikTok, your Instagram, right? Then you're going to pitch brands. How are you going to pitch those brands? You're going to put yourself out there as a UGC creator. I already told you guys one platform is Fiverr. Next thing you're going to do is you are going to run that back, and you are going to offer the brands that you worked with a package deal where they can enlist you to create content for them more consistently, okay? But I want to hear from you. Are you somebody that already knew about UGC content? Is this your first time hearing about it? Are you somebody that already creates UGC content? Let's discuss it in the comments. But I need something from you real quick. If any of the content in this video was helpful, if you learned anything new, or if you were just entertained, please let me and the YouTube algorithm know so YouTube stops hating on my videos. And you do that by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you are somebody that likes to create content, you need to check out this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and